Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here.
There is Heather, hard at work. I think she is sending a package to someone. These are some of the things that we're looking at putting down the store. We've got the Paris cutting board and the New York cutting board. That's upside down for fun. And then we've got the Paint Runner Pro. I'm going to put one of these down there, see how well that goes. Portable DVD player. And then the pinball machine, growing kits, collapsible cutting boards. These little things. These look amazing. It'd be a fun little kit to do. See if you can grow some peppers that'll kill you. The Vasta something.
It's a veggie noodle maker.
Exactly. And these are pretty neat too. The little vacuum food jars. We'll put a few of those down there. And then the stainless steel top pet fountain. About 4 of those we'll take down there. Some of these microfiber cloths. Forever knives. There's a little cutlery kit. Some of the Bigfoot research kits. Very important to have. Can't find Bigfoot without one. Spider-Man. These are kind of neat. I found these at a wholesaler. I think they're only a limited time. But after you do the bath bomb thing, there's a prize in size. I'm guessing it's a little Spider-Man toy. Just a couple of these. These are selling pretty good on the site right now. These are... I can't remember what these are. Honestly, I have no clue what these things are. These are... these are the butterflies. I have to unbox those. And then Whistlemate, some tea kettles we'll take down there. Along with the toasters. Kind of thought, look, it's a red set. Sort of. They're almost the same red color. And then these are those little trees. Little decorative trees. So, I don't know if we'll sell them as a set or what. But so we have so far. I'm wasting time while Heather is feverishly working away. Look at her.
I got all the packages done so we can start pricing
now,
these.
yeah, we have to price every last thing that you see. And then we'll take you down to the store with us.
Come check out the Liquidation Station. It is located in New Baden, Illinois. The actual address is down in the description below, so check it out. They're open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. See the times there. So let's take a little tour of what you'll see at the Liquidation Station. So here we have tons of costumes they have for the Halloween time, so come and check it out. And then we actually help with a island here that has various different things on it, and it's from the Hooked on Pickin store, so you can check that out as well. And so you can go to hookedonpickin.com and get all of the items on this shelf directly mailed to you as well. But what all do they have at the Liquidation Station? Well, here is a collapsible cutting board. It turns into a bowl, which is super cute. They've got a fountain. They've got a Vasta vegetable pasta maker. Utensil sets, vacuum food thermos, microfiber extra large towel. We've got some exotic fruits plant growing kit here. This one is amazing. It's supposed to be the hottest pepper in one of the most recent years that you can plant, and it's a whole growing kit. We got some perfumes and some eyeshadows there. Then on the bottom shelf here we have a train. We have a pet water fountain. That is a hair dryer brush. This is the pet water fountain here. It's got a little piece that attaches to it that trickles down. We got a DVD player, a New York and a Paris cutting board. We've also got a remote control boat and a tabletop pinball machine. So various different things available at the Liquidation Station in New Baden, Illinois. It is basically 30 minutes straight east of St. Louis. All right, then we've got a bunch of various different things. Some flat iron for $9.99, hamburger patty press, some tea kettles, retro looking toaster. These are cool Christmas lights. They have little fairy lights inside the plants, and the batteries go in the bottom of the pot, so you can use those. Paint Runner Pro. We've got red copper straws and a cool baseball plate, so you can check that out as well. Like I said, all of these things are available right at hookedonpickin.com, or you can come to Liquidation Station. You can also check out their website. There's some turkey hats there, perfect for Thanksgiving, an origami vivid creations kit for $7.49, some spinny tops marker maker for $9.99. Then we've got some jumbo playing cards as well. So you got lots of variety just on this first island here. Then we have some toys here. This is the toy section of the island. And then I'm going to show you some other things that are in the store as well. So just to give you an idea, some fun things. So the biggest thing is they are really, really stocked up with lots of Halloween costumes. So make sure you come and check out all of the Halloween costumes from the Liquidation Station. That's a Build It U-Gears model set. You don't use glue or anything. They all snap together, but it's really cool, and it's actually a function set. Functioning like little steam engine. Backpacks, plushies, baby shark kit, some kids jewelry, magician sets, rubber band pistols, dinosaur grow eggs, and a dinosaur excavation kit, a Star Wars flask, some race car trats, Family Feud games, and that's where you can find it, hookedonpickin.com. No G on the end of that, Pickin. Alright, then we have the Nerf guns there, some planes, some slime with dinosaurs in it, and a Bigfoot research kit. Then we've got these bin and rake kind of pooper scooper things. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the store. They got a ton of toys on this end cap here, which is amazing. Baby Yoda. Some lamps and some organizational items. You got some folder holders that are perfect for like your desk or office, very trendy looking. Some floor lamps, tons of school supplies. So you've got folders and notebooks and composition journals and pencil cases and lunch boxes and glue and pens and gel pens and you name it, they have it. Just gonna have fun playing with this. Oh, look, it's got a star. Look at that. It's like hidden. Lots of pictures. Got some lanyards up here. Cool little, I think it's supposed to go over your seat. Kind of organize things in the back seat. They've got a lot of DIY kits and home decor pieces here. Hang on the wall. Backpacks galore. Some paper plates and party supplies. Burt's Bees chapstick. Curtain rods. Lots of different electronics. Telephones. That is a door stopper. It's like super heavy. It's a cute pug door stopper. A lot of home decor. You could use these for potted plants, or you could put some pens and pencils in them. They're just super cute little bowl kind of planter things. Large pots for outdoor pots. Some organizational home decor pieces. Neat trash can. Christmas trees. There's a bedding set, king size bedding set. Christmas trees, and more Christmas trees. If you need a new Christmas tree, do not go to another store. Buy it from Liquidation Station. They do have the option to ship to you, but it's best to just come in and peruse the store. They change things every single week, and so I would check it out. Tons more clothes and costumes. Look at that dress. Isn't that cute? We've got all of their bedding sets, sheet sets, their curtains, shower curtains, you name it. That kind of thing is there as well. Look at some of these costumes they have. A little witch there. This looks like a spaceman, NASA. Some dinosaur costumes. Looks sparkly witch there. We got a princess costume. Black Panther, Addams Family costume, a shark costume. These are a lot of the kids' ones, but they do have tons of adult ones, which I'll show you in a little bit. So just tons of them. So if you have not found costumes for Halloween yet, check them out. Or if you just want costumes for your kids' playtime, this is a great place to check out. They do have quite a few listed online, so just feel free to use the information in the description below. Contact Jerry and Robin and find out where can you get this stuff. If you need Christmas supplies, they have cornered the market. Beautiful bulb and ornament sets. I think this is a candle. It's a lot of really cute decor. This is one of our cornhole sets, so if you like the Carolina Panthers, there you go. It's fully complete. Beautiful set. Does come with all the hacky sacks as well. So we're going to wander on over to the other side of their store. They've got a little bit more shelving. Well, that's all of our candy on the end of our end cap. Got some shoes there. More intimates back here in this corner. So look at some of the costumes that they have here. It's a cool adult shark. Then they have all of these decor pieces for Halloween or fall. Look, ruby slippers. There's no place like home. So all of these cool pumpkins and Halloween makeup, trick-or-treat decor. So just really fun things for the month of October. Some more cool things over here. Hats and accessories. Some buckets. And then on their front window, they've also got all these Hello Fall. So this would be perfect for like Thanksgiving. See the give thanks sign there, a bunch of those. Like I said, you can contact them. Just look down in the description, and it should have like the address and stuff. Cool little kind of cookie jar style things, but they're pumpkins. Look at all of these costumes. So there's a bunch of kid costumes here. So we've got princesses. We've got cute little infant ones. Mickey Mouse. Dinosaurs. PJ Masks. Frozen from Elsa. Minions. Skeletons, ninjas, doctors. Lego Movie. Transformers. Then over here they have all the adult costumes. So lots of different kinds. So come check out Liquidation Station, and you will definitely have some amazing things, or check the link in the description and you'll be able to know exactly where they're located. Top Gun, we got Batgirl, Star Trek. So really fun things. So Liquidation Station is open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So come and check the place out. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.